How to use color balance adjustment layers in Photoshop. That's what we're going to do in today's video. But first, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have. And let's get started right now. So the color adjustment layers is the same as used in the adjustment layers in Premiere Pro for color grading and color correction. You can use them for adding a tint or editing the shadows or midtones for a picture. Let's do this for this picture and try to change the tones in this picture. So let's create a color balance adjustment layers. So let's go to the adjustment layers icon from here and click on it and choose color balance. And here is the properties for the color balance layer. Here you choose the tone that needs to be edited, and here you edit the colors in it. We can edit the shadows, the midtones, or the highlights. As you can see here, the adjustment panels are set to be between each color and its opposite. So let's go to the red, and as you can see, the shadows are getting more to red or getting more to cyan. So we're getting in more cyan, so it's cold weathered. And let's make it more to magenta, and let's go more to the blue. See, it's like cold weather temperature color. And let's now try to edit the midtones. Let's make it more like red and make it more to green, and then go more to the yellow. So this is the main tones or the midtones. And here we can change and edit the colors of the highlights. Let's try it and go more to the red, and go more to the green also, and here go to the blue. Here is the final result. You can even make better result if the picture is raw or if you are a professional color correcting. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.